What it do, C fam? It's your boy C Will back at it with another I repeat, another slight video, man. Hey, look, today's video, y'all, we're just gonna be going over, man, our first 30 days of ownership, man. Our first month of ownership, pretty much with this car, C fam. You heard me? Look, I'm gonna give y'all boys the good, the bad, the ugly, man. How much I spent on this car, bro, and only owning the car 30 days, y'all. What, we won this car November 21st. It got delivered to my house November 27th, pretty much, y'all. So I'm really counting November 27th to December 27th, see fam. So this is true, man, no cap, how much we spent on the car, bro, the maintenance. Y'all kind of seen that video already, but I'm gonna just tie everything in together, from, man, shipping the car from CJ in Illinois to, man, registering the car to, man, car insurance to, bro, just everything all in one, man. You know, hey, Happy New Year, bro, to you, your family, your cousin, your daughter, your uncle, your brother, your second cousin, your third cousin. Man, Happy New Year to everybody, bro. I hope and I pray that everybody's prosperous coming into 2025, bro. Set goals, right, y'all? Set y'all goals. Set monthly goals. Set semi-annual goals, right? So y'all can know where y'all gonna head in this brand new year, man. You heard me? This is my first video of 2025, man. So your boy C Will got goals, bro, for the channel, personal, right, family goals, everything, y'all. So hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and let's get to it. Fam, look, I'm gonna just get into it, bro. The good, all right, the good with this car, man. This car has been reliable as hell, bro. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, bro. It's been my dream car for a long time, bro. Long time. You heard me? So yeah, car's reliable, man. It's spacious, bro. This is a grocery getter, family vehicle, man, and it's a race car too. If you want to race it, whatever, bro, it's up to you. You know, yeah, like the car stock is really like low key. You know, y'all, like I don't really get a lot of looks in this car. You know, I don't get a lot of like, hey man, nice car. I do from time to time, see fam. Like this is one of them cars, like, bro, if you know, then you know. And that's straight up, bro. You know, I got a couple people, you know, that pull up next to me and give me the thumbs up. You know what I mean? So yeah, this car, like, it'll catch the right person's eye, but the person has to know this car, you know, the difference between a regular Grand Cherokee and a Trackhawk. Person just has to know. The average person does not know, and they just think this car is a regular, schmegular car, which is fine for me. You know, I don't like all the looks and all that. You know, I get the looks in the Hellcat, got that thing wrapped and all that, so I get the looks in that car. So it's nice having still a fast-ass car, see fam, that's really sleek. Like motherfuckers think I drive a Trailhawk. You know, Trailhawk is crazy, bro. But yeah, man, that's the like good in this car, bro. It's very reliable, spacious. My wife loved the car, as y'all seen. I don't get a lot of looks, bro. It's very low key, you know. Even with the yellow brake calipers, it's still low key. Even if I'm gonna put the badges on there, the yellow badges or fender badges, it's still gonna be low key. You know what I mean, y'all? So that's the good that happened with this car, man. And also, bro, this car really helped out my channel. You know, I'm pulling in a lot of new viewers, man, from CJ channel. So shout out to the 32 gang. I'm pulling in viewers that, man, have Jeep Grand Cherokees or want one. You know, this is a lot of people's dream car, y'all. Right? So I'm pulling in that audience as well. So this thing really helped my channel grow. You heard me? We're almost at 12,000 subscribers. So yeah, man, shit, that's the good with this car. And it's also all-wheel drive. I don't know if I said that. All-wheel drive hits so different, bro. Like, I like this car more than I like my Hellcat. You heard me? The sunroof, man, you know, it's just, man, it's crazy, bro. Like, this car is, to me, this car is better than my Hellcat, bro. The technology that this car have, bro, the lane assist and all that, bro. There's so many pros with this car, bro. It's not really a lot of cons, all right, y'all? So that's all the good stuff, see, fam. Light work. Now, getting to the bad, bro, cost, all right? So cost, i.e. maintenance. I already made a video about that, see fam. Y'all can go watch that. I'm not gonna splurge on that too much. Maintenance on this car, bro, is expensive. For sure, right? You gotta pay to play, see fam. Nobody complaining. I'm just putting y'all boys on game, right? Everybody like entering these giveaways and these raffles, praying to win. Whole time, shit, people not ready for the what is it, the incurring costs that come with a car like this, the incurring costs that come with a C8 that got the engine in the back, not in the front. You know what I mean? Like, people don't understand. Everybody's just stuck on, oh man, I want a car. Yeah, you want a car, but can you afford the car after you win it? or are you gonna sell it, right? CJ said, bro, he don't care what y'all do with the car, cool, you know. But but yeah, man, like the bad, like I said, the cost, you know, tires expensive. Man, maintenance on this car is expensive, brakes expensive. Everything on this car, y'all, is gonna be expensive, right? Y'all want a Trackhawk, it's gonna be expensive, bro. You gotta pay to play. Shit, what else is bad, bro? You know, obviously gas in this car, bro. Gas to me is like hit or miss. You know, like if you hit this bit a lot, you got this bit in track all the time and all that, bro. You're gonna hit a lick on gas, bro. It's just common with any like fast car, CEEFAM, whether it's Trackhawk, man, McLaren, I'm pretty sure, bro. All them cars, bro, you're gonna hit a grip. You're gonna hit a grip in gas, CEEFAM. What else, man? The bad. Like I said, y'all, like there's not really a lot of bad that come with a car like this. You know what I mean, y'all? There's way more pros than cons whenever it comes to, man, owning a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, bro. You know, somebody had asked me too, man. Like, they was like, "Hey, bro, like you got to pay taxes on this car." Yes, you got to pay taxes, bro. But I think I'm gonna like break all that down, bro, in like another video. You know what I mean? But yes, CEEFAM, the average person does pay taxes, right, y'all? Even though, like, yes, this is a car that you won, right? So CJ is gonna tell y'all, yeah, man, like, you know, just put it to the DMV that, yeah, like you got it as a gift. You know what I mean? Even then, bro, like they whatever, bro. So yes, still gotta pay taxes on this car, y'all. You know, but all in all, man, like owning this car, like I said, for 30 days, bro, was way more pros than cons, fam. Helped out my channel. My family loved the car, man. Bro, this car has been great for me, been great to me, been great for the channel, been great for everything, y'all. You heard me? Yeah, like I don't know if I should say, man, like the cost of everything that I did to the car within the first 30 days, but I think I will say that, CEEFAM. Yeah, just trying to give y'all, man, like the gist of everything, you know, the good, the bad that come with this car, man. That's pretty much it, though, bro. Shit, I'm about to pull up to this touchless car wash place. You know, I like touchless car washes only because, you know, it's just water hitting your car, bro. Water and pressure. That's it. You hear me? So it shouldn't be too bad, man. I don't expect these car washes to get everything off the car, CEEFAM. I kind of know how car washes operate, car washes work, you know. But yeah, finna pull up to a place called Mid City Car Wash. I don't know. This boy look like it's in the ghetto, but I don't mind the ghetto, man. You hear me? Some of the best stuff be in the ghetto. Kind of. It depends, bro. You hear me? Food spot, fire. But yeah, let's see, man. Cause y'all look, my stuff is dirty. So yeah, shout out Mid City Car Wash, man. Let's see what them boys got to offer, man. Let's see. So yeah, man, I might do the $18 wash, man. You heard me? Something light, something slight. Y'all see that bit, man. So yeah, bro, might just do that, man. Boy, got to get out the car and all that, bro. Yeah, y'all boys on my head. See, Will, get the car wash, man. I listen to y'all boys, bro. So yeah, let me pay, man, and then shit, I'm gonna get back to y'all boys, bro. All right, CEEFAM, shit, putting gas right now, bro. You know, man, gas in Louisiana, dog. Well, at this gas station right now for premium, bit $4 pretty much, $3.99, bro. I'm like, God damn, 93. Nah, but if I wanted that cheap gas, I should have went to Walmart for real. Now, y'all look. So I'm about to give y'all boys, bro, the real. Damn. I'm finna give y'all boys the real, you heard me, as far as like pricing and all that, bro, within the first 30 days. Bro, what's up with this? But yeah, my bad. The gas pump kept stopping. I hate whenever they do that. But yeah, y'all, look, I'm about to give y'all boys the real price, I guess, bro, like how much I spent, bro, within my first 30 days of ownership, CEEFAM. First 30 days. So look, I'm counting everything, bro, from the time I entered to the time, shit, a couple days ago, damn near. You heard me? Somebody get a calculator out and keep track of all this stuff, bro. Because it's definitely a lot. I'm really in over my head winning this car. But look, the raffle, y'all. The raffle already was $2,500. All right. The flight to Illinois, you heard me, there and back, round trip from California to Illinois, bro. Round trip, $325. All right. The rental car, right? I had to get a rental car from Chicago O'Hare Airport to CJ, then drop it back since I got the car shipped. The rental was about $80. You hear me? Shout out Enterprise. You know, the car shipment back to California from Joliet, right? Because obviously, bro, we had to ship the car back, you know, to California. So that was $1,000, right? Ended up putting window tint on the car, you know. So some of these things y'all gonna mention, bro, stuff that we did to the car, right? It's gonna be subjective to everybody that win their own car, or everybody, whatever, bro. It's gonna be subjective to you. So window tint, bro. Spent $450 on the window tint, you know. The wheels, right? We obviously put wheels on this car, bro. The wheels was 2,600. You heard me? 2,600 on the wheels. What else, bro? Shit, car insurance on this car, bro. Pay about $200 a month. You know, that's just for good car insurance, bro. If I wanted to be cheap, could have paid $100. You know. So that's that, man. And then shit, the lowering springs, we paid $424. See, fam. $424 for lowering springs, bro. You know, so that's $400 for the lowering springs. Man, to get them installed, I think I paid, man, $3 something to get them installed. I said about $350 to get them installed, you know, or it was something like that, bro. Yeah, I think I paid $300 or $350 to get them installed, bro. So yeah, bro. Hey, y'all can add all that up, man, and let me know how much, bro, I spent within my first 30 days of owning this car. See, fam, you heard me? I'm not counting gas, bro, because gas is gonna be hit or miss, bro, depending on how you drive. I'm not counting gas, but yes, bro, this car is expensive, bro. But it is what it is. You heard me? Like, that's just my 30 days of owning this car. See, fam, everybody first 30 days of ownership gonna be different, right? Pertaining to like how you customize your own car, right? You gonna go crazy right away in the first 30 days. Oh yeah, and also, you know what? I'm gonna count this too, because it happened within the first 30 days. Got the car service. Getting the car service was $998. So $998, bro. Add that to the total, and then yeah, let me know what that come out to, see, fam. Because yeah, I'm way in over my head on this car, bro. Way. You know, I don't want y'all to think it's all sunshine and rainbows, man. Winning the car, it's cool. You know, it's the biggest blessing I ever had, bro. Or one of the biggest blessings I ever had, see, fam. But yeah, I don't want y'all boys to think it's like that, bro, because it's not. It's other incurring costs, like I said, right? So yeah. Oh, but yes, see, fam, shit, that might be it, bro, for this little video, bro. I just wanted to come rap to y'all, bro. Put a video out for y'all boys, man. You know, first 30 days of ownership, man. What I thought about the car, bro. The good, the bad, the ugly, the expensive. Nothing on this car is really cheap. Nothing, bro. I was about to say the expensive, the cheap, but there's nothing on this car, see, fam, that's cheap. Hell no, not at all. You know. But yeah, somebody, man, comment down below, bro, how much all that was, bro. Yeah, and that's just 1 month. You heard me? Like, imagine having this car 6 months. Imagine having this car a year. You know, all the stuff that we do to this car, bro. Because I have more plans, see, fam, for this car. However, bro, it's like, I'm just uncertain. Like, I'm not one of the people, bro, that's gonna do all these mods and then, you know, just hand it off to the next person already done. Because this is my hard work that I'm putting into the car, you know. So I don't want to go too crazy with the car and then just give it away or just sell a car or just, you know. So yeah, I'm still, bro, I don't know. Still don't know if I want to keep it or sell it, see, fam. Oh man, some people said sell that rust bucket. Sell it, man. It's been through 4 or 5 owners. It's been just this and that, bro. At the end of the day, it's a paid off car, bro. I never had a paid off car ever in my life. Man, it's a blessing, man. You know, and I can't really dictate, see, fam, how the car was taken care of before me. I can just do the right thing and make sure it's serviced right, make sure it's taken care of whenever I got it. You know what I mean? It's gonna make me feel better as a car owner, car enthusiast, bro. Like, cool, you know. So yeah, treat your car, bro, the same way, or treat your stuff the same way you'd want other people to treat their stuff. I don't know how to say that. You know you know that saying, y'all, like, treat people the way you want to be treated. Treat this car the same way you'd want somebody else to treat the car. You hear me? If you gave it to them, or if you let them borrow it, if you let them, pretty much. Hope y'all boys understand. But yeah, see, fam, that's just that. My next video probably gonna be, man, taxes on the car, bro. Cause like I said, somebody asked me, bro, AC Will, should you pay taxes on the car? Or blah 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 blah. Like, you want it, you know, you gotta pay taxes on it, right? That might be my next video, see, fam, to be honest. But hey, look, I'm C Will. Y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys in the next one, baby.